Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute and I feel like I keep saying that in every video I post, but don't let that cinematic music fool you in the background. This 5-day trip I took to the Vancouver Island with some friends this past summer was far from serious, and in fact a full trip of just trolling each other the whole time. Nonetheless, I'm really excited to share what the island had to offer, and of course a bit of our personalities. I hope you all enjoy. Not a good start. Ferry terminal has no coffee. No coffee because the power's out. We better have coffee on the ferry. But where are we going today?
Nanaimo.
We're going to Nanaimo. We're going to do a tour of Vancouver Island. Pretty excited about that. We're going back to our car with our walk of shame with no coffee. Oh yeah, we're hanging out with the big boys, you know, because we're over 7 feet tall. Look at the big boys here. You know what that means? It just costs more money. That's what it is.
A few moments later.
Just met up with Kev. I guess you guys missed the whole ferry ride. Let's explore this little island.
Morning, dude.
Morning, brother. Wow, gas must be so cheap to fill up my tank for $78. Not, it's because my gas tank is dented. All right. First gas stop, check. It's time to head to Port Hardy now.
Waiting for connection.
Let's go.
Bluetooth is connected.
Boom! Now this was all our first times heading up to the island, and we actually learned from some locals that the portion of Highway 19 from Campbell River to Port Hardy used to just be a gravel road, and it wasn't paved until 1979. And this was because of the locals sending carrots to government officials for what was called the Carrot Campaign. I didn't capture it on film, but here at Port Hardy, you can find a carrot statue symbolizing the fight for Highway 19. With some, get the new fridge, Joe. Get the new fridge.
Let me demonstrate for you.
Oh,
Look at that. Dual zone.
wait, why am I eating
Love
this
it.
now?
Yeah, we'll eat it after.
I want to eat it now. Come on.
This guy's too eager, man. We got a lot. Don't worry. Leftover, don't worry.
What?
Some keep mayo.
Japa dog. That's sick. That's sick. So apparently there's this is 2 coils. I didn't know that. And you're supposed to. Whoa! How'd you do that? Yo, I got something really special. My very own bread holder!
That's a toolbox.
Never have squished bread ever again. Welcome back. Lunch was great. I hope you guys had a great lunch too, but now it's time to actually get to camp. For the end, last gas trip. for the night. Georgie Lake.
This guy's making it complicated on purpose.
What do I do, dude?
Give me a rock,
That's level as hell, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
100%.
Where do you want to rock?
Where do you want to live, dude?
That's crazy, bro.
That's actually low-key crazy.
Just gotta support my weight, dog.
No way, dude.
There's a bad spot.
Dude, that's not no way, dude. That spot, okay, that spot, dude, that.
There's a little product testing here if you guys couldn't tell. So obviously on our left hand side we have a various amount of different camping chairs, one of which costs an abundance amount of money, you know, overlanding tax, very expensive. One comes with a 2-pack. You see the orange ones here, $30 for a 2. It's a very good deal. You can see the structure is very alike with the name brand, whatever this is. The only thing that I would say is the color, a little bit lighter blue, a little bit darker. Very similar designs, obviously, but the true test, you judge for yourself.
All right, enough of this guy. Let's get cooking.
Don't get this part yet, because there's nothing going on yet, right? But anyways, we're making Korean barbecue. It doesn't look much yet right now, but just you wait. That looks better, huh? So we got bulgogi beef here, and then we got some pork belly, pork belly, and some mee goreng for the crew. All right. Crack it. Yep. Nice.
After our bellies were full, we sat in darkness as the fire ban was in effect during our time on the island.
That's what expensive stuff gets you. You know?
Morning.
Josan!
Avo toast. Hike in 3, 2, 1. That is a big slug, but we're out here in Cape Scott. We're gonna do a little walk in the park. Check out that grenadier, whatever you call it. But we're looking for spots, and I decided to park in front of a sign, which I don't know why I did, because there's no spots around this area, and misjudged the sign a little bit, just a little bit.
That's a hefty sign. Oh my god. Hi, bro.
It's not that bad, okay? Relax.
I'm more concerned about the damage that you have to.
You're not concerned with the sign. Oh.
We might all go for the walk as a group, and I might come back alone. Who knows? Who knows? Let's go.
This is why we're here.
I'm not much of a poet, but when I see true love, I see it right here, man.
There's 2 people who joined together and they had offspring.
not a good idea.
Yo, this is sick, dude.
You guys ever have a friend that needs to experience everything in life? It's him.
Can you give me a push?
No, not this way, dude. One cut, dude. Go, get back.
One rope. Loop together. Not kind apart. So don't go through my neck. Okay?
Anyways, I need new friends, so if you guys want to go on an overland trip, hit me up. Alright, so we just got off the main road. We are heading to our second camp of this trip. I think it's called a Newts or a Nuts. I don't know, you guys can correct me on that one. Shouldn't be too long from the main road. I haven't aired down once since this trip. All these roads just seem like FSRs that have speed limits on it that says you can go 60 kilometers an hour. So we're just going.
Yeah, it sounds good. It looks pretty sick, too. Yo, I can't believe we're driving ripping 60 on this road. It's crazy. Right on. Yo, that's sick.
Oh, we found a spot. It's just like a really large playground that you can just park in. So we're gonna park up. Sup, folks? We made it to camp. As you can see, it's like a big playground. You know, check out my $10 water port. That was from Overland Outfitters' garage sale. You can tell the Home Depot addition to this. But not to mention, we have a product review here. So the water port is the big boy. So yeah, that's the real one. Anyways,
Came with the truck. I didn't buy it.
wet. Yo, careful with the paint, man. You're gonna scratch the paint. After some more trolling of each other, it was tacos for dinner and a good night's sleep. The next morning, I was on breakfast before we packed up to put on some more miles as we're making our way back down south from the Cape Scott area. But wait for this comical moment. Yeah, so we're at the Shell here, just refilling our water. Just excuse the background noise here. It's kind of unhinged folks that I travel with, but that's okay. We're just grabbing some drinking water here at Shell. But tonight we're gonna be seeking shelter in a hotel. What is that? It's not off the grid adventures, right? But yeah, we're gonna chill. Oh, yo guys, this is crazy. These are the folks we travel with. So we've been trying to get the drinkable water, right? Come over, come close, come close. So in the last clip you saw a buddy here do the pump action, right? Do the pump action. But really, you just turn it on. Unbelievable, man.
Ready?
Yep. Action, bro. Not a bad place to stay for the night.
Some sort of animal detergent.
Let's finish the dip at Oyster River. Pretty sick. Honestly, super rado here. Would come back, 100% recommend. Would you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oyster River potholes.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going down.
What is going on, guys? It's a whopping 35 degrees out. Whew. We just finished airing down. We are headed to our last camp spot for this trip. Just like good old fashioned, we are going to hit it off with a waterfall. Hopefully it'll be super nice. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a
It is absolutely beautiful. It's one of the top camp spots for sure. Second to that, actually first to it will be the one in Utah. What is it called?
Tuckerville?
Torqueville?
Tuckerville? I don't know.
Torqueville? Anyways,
Yeah.
the one if you watch my video, you'll know what I'm talking about. But this tops it too.
I would say the Utah one is the better one.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're at camp. It's dinner time. Welcome back to the segment of Can Three Guys Cook This Meal? So we don't starve tonight. It's not a welcome back because I've never done this before, but we got three guys here. We're gonna be cooking this meal, and we'll make it happen. All right, so with the chicken, what we're gonna do is simply season it. Yo, it's not open, bro. Yo. Now, be generous. We want to be generous with the salt. These are big thighs here. Never skip leg day. Non-GMO. No steroids. Just some good old squats from these chicks. That sounds weird. Hey, do you guys wash your chickens? Because I've never washed my chicken before. This guy's saying you wash your chicken, so let me know, dude. So we don't have a lid for, oh. Check on the chicken. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Check on the chicken.
Stop messing, dude. It's still pink, bro. Well, folks, we're back. I believe the chicken is well done now. The potatoes has disintegrated, but that's okay because one guy cooked it instead of 3, so we're at a good ratio. All right, so let's get it plated up and get dinner going. So the chicken was indeed still raw, and we had to make shredded chicken with it. Trips like this remind me that it's not about how far we go or how long we're gone for. It's about the moments between, the laughs, the views, and the time we spent doing what we love with the people who matter the most. Trips like this slow life just enough. These are the memories I'll carry along after the bags are unpacked and the trails fade behind us. Until next time, this is Off the Grid Adventures.